Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Couponing with Melissa Love. Today we're going to be going over Walgreens must-do deals starting June the 2nd to June the 8th. We have easy all digital deals, and I also have a spend booster scenario for you guys where you could score $40 worth of products for just 83 cents each, and that includes a laundry care essentials. And we also have some amazing Ibotta rebates to pair in with the deals. I'm also going to be explaining briefly on how to use your rewards like Walgreens cash and register rewards. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome and thank you all for joining me. Take a second and consider subscribing to my channel. I will love to have you here and help you save money. So let's begin. So always remember to check your Walgreens app for any digital spend boosters. This week, I got a spend 35, get $7 back in Walgreens cash, valid from the 2nd all the way to the 8th. And I also have this multiple spend booster of make 6 purchases of $30 each. You earn $30 back in Walgreens cash. And we still have that summer essentials booster going on for the entire month. So make sure you guys are always double checking. So our first easy deal is on the Poise liners and pads. They're going to be on sale 2 for $11, and we are expecting a $5 off a 2 digital coupon on Sunday. So pick up 2 for $11. You'll use that $5 off a 2 digital. You'll pay just $6 for both. Then you're going to take your receipt and submit it over to Ibotta for $2 cash back for each one. Makes the final cost just $2 for both, or just $1 each. For this deal, if you guys have any Walgreens cash or register rewards, you could use that to pay less out of pocket. Another really easy deal is on the You by Kotex feminine care products. They're going to be on promotion, buy one get one 50% off. Buy 2 get a $5 register reward. So pick up 2 of the You by Kotex pads. They're going to be priced at $7.99. The other one will be $3.99, bringing your total up to $11.98. Per the ad, we are going to be getting a $3 off a 2 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay just $8.98. You'll get back the $5 register reward for buying 2. Makes the final cost just $3.99 for both, or just $1.99 each. For this deal, you guys can use Walgreens cash or register rewards to pay less out of pocket. So our next deal is on the herbal essences or the Pantene hair care. They're going to be on sale $5 to $10. Buy 2 get a $3 register reward. So the cheapest option is to pick up the Pantene hair care products for $5 each, brings your total up to $10. You'll use a $3 off a 2 digital coupon. You'll pay just $7, but you'll get back the $3 register reward. Makes the final cost just $4 for both, or just $2 each. For this deal, you guys can use some Walgreens cash or register rewards to pay less out of pocket. So our next deal is on the Dove bath care products. They're going to be on sale from $7 to $10. Buy 2 get a $3 register reward. So you guys could pick up 2 Dove body washes at $7 each, bringing your total up to $14. Per the ad, we are going to be getting a $3 digital coupon, so you're going to go ahead and use that. You'll pay $11, get back the $3 register reward for buying 2. Then you'll take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $2 cash back for each one, giving you back $4. That makes the final cost just $6 for both, or just $3 each. So it's always important to double check Ibotta to see if you guys still have the offers, and also double check on Sunday to see what digital coupons we did receive. I also wanted to let you guys know to check your Ibotta account for these Dove offers. We have some for the Dove bar soaps, the Dove body polish, the Dove Planet Milk cleansing bar, and the body washes. This is a really good offers, especially if you guys want to pair them into this deal. So our next deal is on the Colgate Dental Care. They're going to be on sale $4 or $5. Buy 2 get a $3 register reward. So buy 2 Colgate at $4 each for a total of $8. Per the ad, we're going to be getting a $3 off a 2 digital coupon, so you'll pay just $5, get back the $3 register reward. It makes the final cost just $2 for both, or just $1 each. You guys can use Walgreens cash and register rewards to pay less out of pocket. So I also wanted to mention, if you guys still have these digital coupons, the $2 off for the toothpaste and the $2 off for the toothbrush, you guys could use that. You'll pay just $4, get back the $3 register reward, making the final cost just $1 for both, or just 50 cents each. And guys, you can definitely use Walgreens cash and register rewards to pay less out of pocket. So our next deal is on the Gillette and Venus razors. They're going to be on sale from $9.99 all the way up to $22.99. Buy two, get a $6 register reward. So pick up one Venus razor at $9.99 and one Gillette razor at $9.99. This brings your total up to $19.98. I still have the $3 Venus digital coupon and the $3 Gillette digital coupon. So you'll be left to pay just $13.98. You'll get back the $6 register reward for buying two, makes the final cost just $7.98 for both, or just about $3.99 each pack of razor, which is a really great deal. And also double check if you guys still have these coupons available. So now it's time for our spend booster scenario. Like I've mentioned, I do have this spend $35, get $7 in Walgreens cash digital booster. And I also have this paper spend booster of spend $40, get $7 back in Walgreens cash. Paper spend boosters and digital boosters can be stacked together. All you have to do is just meet the maximum requirement. In this case, it is just $40. So for this scenario, we're going to be combining the Colgate, the laundry care products, and the Poise pads. So pick up one Downy, one Tide liquid at $12.99 each, two Colgate products at $8, two Poise pads at $11. So this brings your total up to $44.98, and we have a ton of digital coupons. We're going to use that $2 digital for the toothpaste, the $2 digital for the toothbrush, the $3 digital for the Downy, the $3 digital for the Tide, and the $5 digital for the Poise pads. You'll pay just $29.98 out of pocket, but that is a very high out of pocket. So you guys can use manufacturer register rewards to pay less out of pocket, just like the one I'm showing you guys right now on the screen. If it says manufacturer register reward, you guys can use that. You guys are going to be getting back $7 in Walgreens cash for spending $35, $7 in Walgreens cash for spending $40, that's for the paper booster, the $4 register reward for the laundry care products, and the $3 register reward for the Colgate. You'll submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 cash back for each Poise pad, which is $4. Makes the final cost for all 6 items just $4.98 or just 83 cents each, guys, for those huge laundry care products, which is an awesome deal. So I always get asked, how do you use your Walgreens cash and register rewards? So when it's a buy deal, buy 2 Colgate products, get a $3 register reward for buying 2, you guys can use Walgreens cash register rewards to pay less out of pocket and still earn your rewards back. So when it is a spend deal and you're earning a Walgreens cash, you guys can only use manufacturer register rewards to pay. You do not want to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards because that will put you below the spend amount requirement. Keep in mind that there is a formula though that you guys can use Walgreens cash for a spend deal. So for example, if the deal says spend $30, get back $10 in Walgreens cash, and you build your transaction up to $40, you guys can use $10 in Walgreens cash because you are over the spend amount requirement of $30. So in this case, you guys will get back the $10 in Walgreens cash. So when a deal says a spend and you are earning a register reward, you guys can only use manufacturer register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay for this transaction. You cannot use store register rewards, so definitely keep that in mind. So this is pretty much what I have for you guys today. Let me know in the comments if you found it helpful at all and if you guys are enjoying the deals. Also, let me know if you guys are interested in seeing like a full video on how to, coupon at Walgreens. I could definitely go ahead and put that together. Also, give this video a big thumbs up, and I hope you all have an amazing and blessed day, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!